Drying process. Drying is a mass transfer process that uses energy to remove water or other solvents from a solid, liquid, or semi-solid material through evaporation. Other process involves the simultaneous transfer of heat and mass. Other two basic mechanisms involved in the drying process are migration of moisture. A moisture moves from the inside of a grain to the surface. Evaporation. A moisture evaporates from the surface to the surrounding air. 1. Convective drying. Description. Convective drying involves the use of hot air or gas to transfer heat to the material, causing moisture to evaporate and be carried away. Applications. Used for drying bulk solids, powders, granules, and various food products. Equipment. Tray dryers, rotary dryers, fluidized bed dryers, conveyor dryers. 2. Conduction drying. Description. Conduction drying involves direct contact between the material and a heated surface, allowing heat to transfer into the material and evaporate moisture. Applications. Suitable for drying thin materials, heat-sensitive substances, and products with high thermal conductivity. Equipment. Tray dryers, drum dryers, belt dryers. 3. Radiant drying. Description. Radiant drying uses electromagnetic radiation, such as infrared radiation, to heat the material and evaporate moisture. Applications. Commonly used for drying heat-sensitive materials and thin films. Equipment. Infrared dryers, microwave dryers. 4. Freeze drying, lyophilization. Description. Freeze drying involves freezing the material and then removing moisture by sublimation under vacuum conditions, bypassing the liquid phase. Applications. Widely used for preserving heat-sensitive pharmaceuticals, foods, and biological samples. Equipment. Freeze dryers, lyophilizers. 5. Spray drying. Description. Spray drying atomizes a liquid feed into fine droplets, which are rapidly dried by hot air or gas as they fall through a drying chamber. Applications. Used for producing powders, granules, and instant products from liquid feedstocks. Equipment. Spray dryers. 6. Vacuum drying. Description. Vacuum drying reduces the pressure in the drying chamber, lowering the boiling point of moisture and facilitating its removal at lower temperatures. Applications. Suitable for drying heat-sensitive materials and products prone to oxidation. Equipment. Vacuum dryers, vacuum ovens. 7. Microwave drying. Description. Microwave drying uses electromagnetic waves to heat the material internally, accelerating moisture evaporation. Applications. Effective for drying heat-sensitive materials, food products, and ceramics. Equipment. Microwave dryers. 8. Solar drying. Description. Solar drying utilizes solar energy to heat and dry the material, often through passive or indirect methods. Applications. Commonly used in agriculture for drying crops, fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Equipment. Solar dryers, solar air collectors. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities, and all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purposes only. Any copyrighted material on these slides is included as fair use for educational purposes only. It will be removed at the request of copyright owners.